Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now just let's first see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should hold for a while our device screen and then click here to Home Settings. After that, you'll see here the swipe access and you should switch Google Fit to nothing. And now we can see that the Google Discover successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again, by the same way, click to the home screen, tap to swipe access and switch it to Google Fit. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.